We have two primary goals. We want to help teachers become instantly more efficient, and we want students to become instantly more employable. If you've ever tried learning or teaching ISO 1950, you'll know that feeling. You either put up a slide or you read it for the third or fourth time. You go through that workflow. You learn the acronyms, the OIR, EIR, PIR, TIDP, and it's too much. You look at everyone in the room, you see blank faces staring back at you, or you just kind of want to cry because it's too much. And the problem isn't the students. The problem is that ISO 19650 is meant to be done, not just described. Students read it, they memorize the terms, they learn the things that they need to be able to pass an exam, and then they get to their first job and they have no idea what to actually do with any of it. It's not their fault. It's just something of a byproduct of the workflow there.
Right. So we speak with professors, and I had a couple of calls when they share that they sometimes spend weeks on this topic, and it feels like students leave without really getting it. They know what an information requirement is, but can they really write one? Can they build a BEP from scratch? That's the gap. It is theory without the practice, and with all the changes, the updates to the standards, it's just becoming even more challenging and confusing.
Exactly. We built a free practical ISO 19650 assignment to fix exactly that. It's a simple, very engaging assignment your students can complete inside Plannerly. There is no admin required on your end, no IT setup required, and no accounts to manage. You just have to share it and they do it. It's as simple as that. And this isn't a simplified classroom exercise. It's the real ISO 19650 workflow, the same steps used on live projects. When students finish, they have actual work to show employers a completed ISO 19650 project, which they built themselves.
Yep, exactly. Let me quickly show you what's actually included inside. When you download the assignment pack, you'll get the student brief that's fully editable. So you can add your module name, your marking criteria, whatever you need to. And you'll also get access to the assignment instruction page, which walks students through every single step with a video so that they're never stuck.
And if you would like us to join your class virtually for a guest lecture, you can book a guest lecture with our team, and we will walk students through a ISO 19650 workflow, answer their questions, and show them how this connects to what they will do in the industry. And professors who have done this tell us it completely changes how students engage with BIM and information management process. And the student submission speaks for themselves. The quality is genuinely impressive because they have done the real thing. They did actual work.
Yes, exactly. They defined information requirements. They built the information production plan. They created work packages. They verified the models, meaning checking whether the right information was actually delivered against what was requested. They stepped into different project roles, appointing party, lead appointed party. They assembled a polished handover package with clear naming conventions, structured review workflows, and all the supporting documentation. By the end, they had a complete portfolio project they could bring to any interview and confidently say, I've done this. If you want to go one step further, you can join our university partner program. It's free. Register, create an account, let us know you are an educator, and we will upgrade it to a full educational account. That unlocks group project features, PDF exports of completed assignments, and much more.
And one of my favorite parts, once you join, you're on the map, literally. We put a dot on the map showing your education institution as being one of the most progressive, whether it's a university or college, is in the world. Join a really great group of teams.
And this isn't just for universities. If you are running a college program, training centers, a student competition, or a standard body workshop, or a non-profit BIM focus group, this works for you too. Anyone helping to move BIM education forward can use this.
Professor Zulfikar Adamu, one of our university partners, told us, if universities start doing this at scale, you end up with thousands of graduates who all know how to implement ISO 19650 properly. And that's not just good for the students, that's how you change the industry.
So our two main goals with this education program are simple. Number one, help teachers become instantly more efficient at teaching and getting the message across in a more practical way. And then number 2 is helping students become instantly more employable in the workforce. So if you're teaching ISO 19650 or planning to, this is the most practical way to do both these things. It's free, it's ready to use, and it works. So download the assignment brief below or book your call with us if you'd like to talk it through. We would love to have your institution on the map. Can't wait to see you on the program.
See you on the program.
Book your call with us.